Let's now turn our attention to Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan, where villages surrounding Skardu are facing critical challenges in infrastructure and healthcare. Despite their proximity to the renowned Satpara Lake, villages like Sadpara struggle with poor road conditions, inconsistent electricity, and the lack of a fully operational civil dispensary. This deficiency in medical services has resulted in tragic consequences, including the recent deaths of 2 newborns. Locals report frequent closures and severe understaffing at the dispensary, which compounds their difficulties. Here's the closer look at the situation.
Villages surrounding Skardu city in Pakistan-occupied Gilgit-Baltistan have been facing severe hardships due to inadequate infrastructure and a shortage of basic facilities. Sadpara, a village located near Satpara Lake, just a few kilometers from Skardu district, is grappling with significant infrastructural issues, particularly concerning the lack of a civil dispensary. Despite numerous complaints to the authorities, residents continue to face lack of essential services. Although Satpara is situated near the picturesque Satpara Lake, a major tourist attraction in POGB, it remains deprived of basic amenities like a dispensary, proper roads, infrastructure and electricity.
कल जो सतपारा के सिविल डिस्पेंसरी के हवाले से हमने जो इशू उठाया था वो जेन्युइन इशू है, हकीकी इशू है, जिस पे हमने काफ़ी मेहनत भी की है, आगे हम मिले भी हैं। यहाँ जो टेक्निकल स्टाफ की हमने बात की थी, तीन टेक्निकल स्टाफ सिविल डिस्पेंसरी में होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे वाहिद एक डिस्पेंसर मौजूद है, ना एलएचबी है, ना कोई नर्सिंग स्टाफ यहाँ पे मौजूद है, कोई भी नहीं है। जो बाकी के स्टाफ जो 9 स्टाफ होते हैं उसमें से 3 स्टाफ यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं। वाहिद एक डिस्पेंसरी है जो कि बंद पड़ी हुई है। ये क्या यहाँ के आवाम के साथ मजाक नहीं है तो क्या है? अगर हुकाम बाला इस पर नोटिस न ले, अब भी खामोशी किनी सोते रहे तो जो 2 बच्चे इसी माह अगस्त में डिलीवरी के दौरान फौत हुए, ये एलएचपी के ना होने की वजह से, अगर यहाँ पे एलएचपी होती तो ये दोनों बच्चे फौत ना होते।
The lack of adequate medical facilities has had tragic consequences. Recently, 2 newborn babies in Satpara died due to the lack of proper medical care as the village lacks proper medical facilities. The ongoing issues in Gilgit-Baltistan underscore broader concerns about health facilities and basic services in the region, which has faced persistent difficulties since its occupation by Pakistan.
यहाँ पे सतपारा डिस्पेंसरी में हमेशा से दवाई का मसला रहा है। यहाँ पे ज़रूरत की जो दवाई होती है वो नहीं मिलती है, और जो तैनात डिस्पेंसर यहाँ पे लगाते हैं, मेरी तो ज़ाती उस पे बहुत सारी शिकायत हैं। कभी आते ही नहीं, हफ्ते में कोई 3 दफ़ा आते हैं, 5 दिन गायब रहते हैं। जब आते हैं तो 1 बजे वापस चले जाते हैं। तो हमारा ख्याल यही है इस डिस्पेंसरी पर ख़ास तवज्जो दी जाए।
Pakistan's approach to the development of occupied region of Gilgit-Baltistan reveals a troubling pattern of neglect and insufficient investment. Despite its natural beauty, the region suffers from chronic underdevelopment due to the government's inadequate funding and slow policy implementation. Bureaucratic inefficiencies and a lack of effective local representation exacerbate these issues, leaving Gilgit-Baltistan feeling marginalized and disconnected from development efforts. This neglect not only stifles the region's potential but also undermines the well-being of its residents, highlighting a significant disparity between the government's development priorities and the needs of the local people in Gilgit-Baltistan.